Hi, I'm SeAnn Pittman. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, we are unboxing our very first Stardust Cosmetics order. So I am super excited. I got the team to make up a Interstellar Dust trilogy pack for me, and this is how it turned up. So it's got really nice webbed tape. It's got a really sturdy mailer box, and now we're gonna open it up and see how it's presented. So this is awesome. We've got custom Stardust Cosmetics tissue paper, which just looks amazing. We've got 4 in here because we've got a setting powder. So we've got the multifaceted Interstellar Dust blush. We've got Snowball, Witch's Broom, and Orion. So 3 beautiful shades there that you can use with lots of different applications. They're great for cheeks for your blush, highlighter, a quick eyeshadow, whatever you need. And probably my favorite product in the entire range is the setting powder. So this is great for covering all of your liquids and concealers and things like that before you put any powders on. Pop that on and you're good to go. So as far as presentation goes, we've got tissue paper top, bottom and surrounds, so it's not going to get banged or broken in transport. A+ for the warehouse team. Thanks guys.
Totally repping today for Stardust Cosmetics and their amazing new 3-layer medical face masks. How pretty is this beautiful galaxy print? Get yours today on stardustcosmetics.com.au.
Apart from really awesome packaging and transport, I'm just really proud to know that it's all cruelty-free and vegan friendly. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.